us home. Lord, guide us home. Guide us home. Lord, guide us home. Guide us home. Lord,
So right now we in the domestic plaza lounge because we about to go to Saskatoon and Edmonton all in the same trip. We gotta go check out my buildings. The reason I'm in the lounge, I just finished a rum and coke, is because of this bad boy. This is the greatest thing ever. I love it. Sick. I'm gonna get another drink. I got another drink at the bar over there. Super hype, super hype. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in a bit because my flight leaves in like 20 minutes, so easy. Just landed in Saskatoon. It is currently 3:30 a.m. back home in London or in Toronto, but it's 1:30 a.m. here in Saskatoon. About to go grab the Uber, and then I'm just gonna head to the hotel I have booked because I have to go check out the building, Mount Royal, at 12 at noon, and then I have to catch another flight to Edmonton at 4 p.m. Flight was good. I lost my neck pillow, that's your cheese, but I'm gonna catch up with you guys at the hotel easy. So we got to the hotel room. It's nothing crazy, to be honest. I'm only here for the night because, like I said, we go check out the building, see the renovations here in Saskatoon, Mount Royal, and then we fly out to Edmonton and go check out my other investment. So it's whatever. Like, I'm not too pressed about the room. Like, it's good for tonight. I can't ask for anything more. Queen bed, TV. We about to go to bed because we got here at like 1:30 a.m. It's 3:30 a.m. I gotta wake up at like 10:15. Because I gotta be at the building by 12. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning, easy. This won't make coffee, bruh. I'm cheese. Nothing's. It says enjoy a complimentary. Whoa. It says enjoy a complimentary coffee on us, but I can't get the coffee to work, bro. This is super annoying. Regardless, I'm gonna have to stop for some coffee anyways. But I'm gonna stop from the coffee, check out the rentals at Mount Royal, and then go from there. I'll catch up with you guys in the Uber easy.
guide us home. Guide us home. Lord, guide us home. Lord, guide us home.
Made it. We made it. Look at the building. Okay. It's looking nice. Let me actually. There you go. We made it. It's not too cold in Saskatoon. Last time I came here, I think if you go on my old vlog, it was freezing here. Like, I came in February though. It's still kind of chilly. Probably a little colder than Toronto is or Ontario, but not too bad. Very tolerable. I'm kind of worried for Edmonton because it's a little farther north, but I guess we'll see what that's about. Hold on, give me a second. I got a new backpack for my business travels. I like it. It was kind of expensive, but it is what it is. That genuine leather. But now I gotta meet up with the building manager. I don't know where he's at, so I'm gonna text Elliot to tell the building manager that I'm here and then we can get to work. Let's check out the building though. So, building's looking nice. Can't complain. We had the full doors, the front doors renovated, I think. I don't know if those are the front doors because they do not look renovated. Look at the fully renovated hallways we have. Carpet was redone. Carpet redone. Walls are fully painted. I'm super happy with how it looks. Yep.
That's pretty funny actually. So one of our other properties, we evicted her.
Okay.
And then these guys put her in here without any.
It makes it look like there's a lot more sunlight that comes in.
Yes. Yeah. Brightens it up completely.
A lot more. This is the fully renovated 1 bedroom.
How the units used to look.
Is this one gonna get done or no?
I mean, I want it to be done,
But we probably don't need it for the refi, right?
no.
Okay.
You know, I think he met his numbers.
Yeah.
My plan is to get this one cleaned, and then, you know, deep cleaned.
Yeah,
and then
for sure.
re-rented as is.
Okay.
After a little light maintenance, so.
But this is the same layout as 17, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're good. That's a good
No,
comparison.
no, this is a 2 bedroom. That one's a 1 bedroom. 17 is a 1 bedroom, this is a 2.
So regardless of the rentals, you would still raise the rent on this one by a little bit.
Oh, I'm still gonna get 12 for you. Just the weirdest thing these people do.
Yeah, okay, I was gonna say, yeah.
Or I just pay my guys a couple bucks to throw all the garbage away. Then it's done.
You throw their tents away and stuff?
Yeah.
So we just finished reviewing the building. Right now I'm at a Greek restaurant eating lasagna. I don't want to get started with it. It's funny because look, super grease, but then I'm literally eating lasagna, fries and gravy, and garlic bread. So just eating something quick. I gotta go to the airport. My flight leaves in 2 hours. Edmonton. Check out the other building in Edmonton, and then from Edmonton fly back to Toronto. That's life, you know. I'm blessed though. I'm blessed, you know. The fact that I get to travel for business, I'll just travel for leisure. And see parts of Canada I don't really know, you know, and just hop on a plane. That's super blessed. And also just the fact that like it's buildings that I'm going checking out buildings that I own, which is crazy. Like it's crazy to think about that. Like I'm hopping on a flight to Saskatoon to see a building that I own that's about to refi, and then hop on another flight to Edmonton to see another building. I'm blessed. I'm truly blessed. All glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I'm gonna muck this as much as I can. Cause I had to usually, because I have the card now, I don't. Because usually I don't pay for food. I'll just wait till I get like all these business trips. I just wait till I get to the airport and eat at the lounge because it's free. But yeah, everything's good. Thank you. The Saskatoon airport has no lounge whatsoever, so I have to stop somewhere and get food. That's life. Probably gonna leave in the next 10 minutes, catch an Uber to the airport. With that being said, love y'all. I'll see you guys at the airport. Easy. So right now, we about to head to Edmonton. We at the airport. It's funny because they actually boarding right now, but I got some time. I'm just gonna drink a little bit of my coffee and then head out. I'll catch you guys back in Edmonton. Easy. In Edmonton, baby. Not that cold. Last time I was here was freezing. Actually, cap. I was here during the summer. It wasn't that cold. I like the weather today. We're just chilling out at Tim Hortons right now. I just had a little bagel, some water. I have to catch a 30-minute Uber to the building because the building's actually far from the airport. I just wish airports were like in the center of the cities or like just like near the cities. Like, I don't know why Edmonton's airport is so far away, but it is what it is. I guess it's a business write-off, but it's gonna be like almost damn near $100 in Ubers there and back from the building. So it ain't what it is though. My flight back to Toronto is tonight at 12 a.m. Edmonton time, so I think that's Mountain time. So it's like 2 a.m. Toronto. Getting back to Toronto around 5 something a.m. Bus to catch at 7 a.m. Back in London by 10 a.m. and then church. And hopefully a nap after that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna catch you guys at the apartment easy.
Guide us home. Guide us home. Guide us home.
So when do they start solar? Like the actual placement of it.
Is it turned on?
I confused.
I don't know. I'll have to ask the installer. I hope I wasn't supposed to turn those on. Hello. How you doing? Yeah. Hello. Good, you?
It's the new building. It's the Edmonton building. This is one of the fully renovated units. I think it's a 1-bedroom.
Okay.
Yes, it is a 1-bedroom. Fully renovated. New floors. New paint.
Yeah.
New washroom. Looking pretty nice. And then
Oh yeah.
new kitchen with new appliances. New back tile, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's fine. Just put me as a referral. I got it.
Looking pretty nice.
Toilet. And the shower head.
So nothing too big then. This one has good bones though.
No, this one is it's about 8.
Yeah, so this is a unit that needs renovation off rip. So she was a problem tenant?
Yeah, she clearly smoked in the unit.
Oh yeah, I can smell that.
Would attract a lot of riffraff as well.
Oh yeah? She had junkie friends?
Them some friends and
Well, considering I think she slept on a futon, that explains a lot. Oh yeah.
so they said end of November for this one, but let's be real here. Like they
Yeah,
haven't even started. This thing is gonna be
This is a full turnover, no?
yeah, this is probably gonna be mid-December realistically.
But do we need, like, we got the appraisal with this unit looking like this?
Oh, they never came in this unit.
Oh yeah, we got, look where I always found myself. I always found myself back at West Edmonton Mall every single time. Every single time I'm back in Edmonton, I gotta visit this mall. I'm actually just trying to go to Winners. Like, I'm not even trying to do nothing. I just need to get to Winners. I'm trying to surprise someone with a little gift when I get back home. Mall closes in an hour. I'll probably just head back to the airport and just chill at the lounge, do some work until my flight. But I'm gonna catch you out in a bit. Look at this mall, man. Easy. So we back in Toronto. Our flight was brutal, man. I don't know. There was like barely any leg space, and it was the longest flight. My flight from Saskatoon to Edmonton had more leg space. I don't know. I'm back in the lounge. I'm just getting some breakfast. I'm waiting for my bus. My bus comes in an hour, so I have some time. I'm abusing these lounges, man. I'm abusing them, bro. They got food. Look at this. Look at this. Come on now. What are we talking about? What are you talking about? And like, I'm gonna still go for seconds. I'm gonna get more of these waffles. Man. I'm gonna get more of these waffles. Well, I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get home. I'm just so tired to do an end. I'm so exhausted to do an outro, man. I'm just so tired. Go home. Take the bus home, go to church, and then I record, shower, reset, and I'll record an outro for you guys. But that being said, love you all. Catch you out in a bit, easy. So we're actually on the way to Japan right now. Me and my mom. It's gonna be a sick little trip, but I kind of want to update you guys on, the trip that I took to Saskatoon and Edmonton. On the trip, hold on. On the trip I took to Saskatoon and Edmonton for the buildings. So the one in Saskatoon came out to a 2.2, just under 2.2 million appraisal, which is a $600,000, almost a $600,000 increase from when we bought it at 1.6. So that deal is looking good. And then the Edmonton deal, we're having some issues on the renovations and tenants, which is fine. It's what we go through. It's what we got to do sometimes. But man, it's the love of the game, bro. Like I was so exhausted. You know, in 24 hours I went from Tokyo to in 24 hours I went from Toronto, Saskatoon, Edmonton, Toronto, back to London. It's literally the love of the game, bro. Like I can't. And it's tiring, but it's such a blessing because a year and a half ago, I prayed for stuff like this. Like I said, like my lock screen is still me broke. Like my lock screen is still my bank account when I was broke, and I own 2 buildings. And I'm not saying this for you guys to. I'm not saying this to flex. I'm not saying this. I'm saying this because to show you God's will. Like, I'm literally in Calgary right now. Like, look at this. Hold on. Look at my beautiful mother over there. She's chilling on our flight to Tokyo. We're in the Calgary Aspire Lounge. Okay. We're in the Calgary Aspire Lounge. Like, I'm chilling in the lounge with my mother, going to Tokyo. I would have never thought this a year ago. Never thought this a year ago. And especially the Saskatoon building, once that refinances, I'm going to, do a big detailed video on how much money I make, all that, etc. The exact process. I just wanted to kind of make this outro because I'm leaving to Tokyo, and that's also gonna be a video in itself. But like, God's will is so strong, and if you just keep praying for the wisdom to everything that He put you on this earth to do and to serve others, you will do amazing things. You will do things that you never thought possible. And it might not be what you wanted, and it might not be the way that you wanted it to happen. But it will be everything that's beneficial for you. I promise you. It'll be everything you ever wanted. It'll be everything. Because it won't be in the way that you wanted. It's funny because when 2025 first started, I thought, let me get into my first house. Let me tap into real estate, whether that be a flip, whether that be a wholesale deal, whatever. I got into a multifamily building, 2 of them. I have almost 40 units to my name. It doesn't get better than this. So I will come out with a video explaining, especially the Mount Royal deal, the Saskatoon deal in detail, how much money I made, how much we bought it for, all that. I just gotta wait for it to finish for us to refinance and all that. So you guys can see how powerful real estate is and how one deal can really change your life, like really change your life. I still work a job. I'm still not where I'm trying to be. I'm still not, there's no there. There's no ending for me. Like I'm still not where I want to be, but every day I get close. And some days I may lack, some days I may struggle, some days I may feel like I'm not moving the needle forward. But I just want you guys to know that every single day that you guys wake up and that you guys put some effort in, you guys are moving the needle forward. Every day that you wake up is a blessing from the Lord, and that He's not finished with you. That whatever it is you're trying to do, that whatever it is you gotta do, go out in there and do it. Ask God for the wisdom to do it, the strength to do it. Because at the end of the day, we're here to serve. I'm doing charity work with UND, the real estate stuff. God's blessed me with people in my life that I care about a lot, and a mission, authority to do stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I'm about to hop on I'm about to hop in the flight in like 10 minutes to Tokyo. Love y'all. I'll see you guys in Japan. I'll catch y'all in a bit.